Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if a kid's profile isn't properly restricting content, it's usually due to parental control settings, profile configuration, pin issues, or sync problems. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix kids' profile not restricting content on Prime Video in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, kids profile rely on parental control settings. Restrictions are tied to account plus profile, and changes may take time to sync. So most issues means parental controls not fully configured. Okay, so verify it's a kid's profile, like open Prime Video, check profile type, make sure it's labeled as kids. Okay, regular profiles won't enforce restrictions. Okay, you can also enable parental controls, like go to your Amazon account, open Prime Video settings, and go to parental controls. Okay, turn restrictions on. It activates content filtering. Okay, set age restrictions, like choose appropriate rating level, for example 7 plus, 13 plus, 16 plus. It controls what content is visible. Okay, set or verify pin, like create or confirm your pin, require pin for restricted content. It prevents bypassing restrictions. Okay, apply restrictions to all devices, like ensure settings apply to mobile, smart TV, browser. Okay, so restrictions must be enabled per device. Okay, log out and back in, like log out of Prime Video and log back in. It forces settings to sync. And last choice, or the last fix that you can apply, is restart the application, like close Prime Video like this and reopen it again. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial.